Mercury is 35 million miles away from the Sun.
The planet's diameter is 3,082 miles.
No single person discovered Mercury because it's one of the 5 planets that can be seen without a telescope. The earliest record of Mercury is from the Sumerians in 3000 BC.
The temperature on Mercury ranges from negative 300 degrees Fahrenheit at night to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day.
The planet Mercury was named after the Roman god Mercury. He was the god of trade, profit, and commerce.
Mercury has no moons, nor does it have any rings.
Mercury's atmosphere is so thin that it's almost undetectable.
Mercury rotates very slowly. One day on Mercury is about 58.5 Earth days long.
Its orbit around the Sun lasts only 88 Earth days.
If you were a 100-pound person on Earth, you'd only weigh 37 pounds on Mercury.
The Sun appears 2.5 times larger on Mercury's sky than on Earth.
The surface of Mercury is heavily cratered just like our Moon. The reason for this is because Mercury has a very thin atmosphere, and the surface has been geologically inactive a long period of time.
Okay, so they don't know who exactly discovered Venus, but they say that since it was so bright that the first caveman that came out of his cave noticed it. Galileo in 1610 observed Venus with his telescope. Venus was named after Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is 67 million miles away from the Sun. The diameter of Venus is 7,521 miles, and the average temperature of Venus is 460 degrees Celsius. Venus has no moons at all.
Venus is the 6th largest planet in the solar system. The surface of Venus is very dry with flat plains, highland regions, and depressions. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. The orbital speed of Venus is 35 kilometers per second. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It takes 243 days for Venus to rotate on its axis.
Plato, a Roman philosopher, suggested the idea of the Earth being round. Pythagoras, a Roman mathematician, confirmed Plato's theory of a round Earth using mathematics. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, was funded by the Spanish crown to circumnavigate the world, and he did so without falling into the deep abyss of the universe, providing proof Earth was round. And the planet's name came from, or means the ground. The distance of the planet from the Sun is 92,960,000 miles.
The diameter of the planet is 7,918 miles. The surface temperature is 57.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Number of moons, it only has one moon.
Earth is the 5th largest planet. It's about 4.5 tons. It's about 4.5 to 2 billion years old. Some of Earth is actually flat planet. Only 30% of Earth is land. Earth always has earthquakes. Some are small. Humans cannot feel it. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Earth isn't round like people think. It is usually more like a oval. Earth's average distance from the Sun is 150 million kilometers.
We will never know who actually discovered Mars. The name Mars means God of War.
Mars is 1,441,007 million miles away from the Sun. The diameter of Mars is 4,212 miles.
Mars is the only planet whose surface can be seen in detail from the Earth. In winter, nighttime temperatures on Mars can drop as low as negative 191 degrees Fahrenheit.
has no moons.
This is our planet Jupiter, and no one person is known to have discovered Jupiter.
Planet Jupiter is named after the Roman god's version of Zeus.
Jupiter is 484 million miles from the sun.
The diameter of Jupiter is 86,881 miles in width.
The surface temperature of Jupiter is negative 150 Celsius.
Jupiter has 62 moons orbiting it. As of 2013, one more moon was discovered, making it a total of 62 moons.
Guys, who discovered Saturn? Was it Galileo in 1610? Pretty sure it was.
What's its name mean, guys?
Something after a Roman god named Saturnus.
It was named after the Roman god Saturnus.
The day Saturn gets its name from the planet. Just the day gets its name from the
Yeah, that's right. How far away is Saturn from the sun?
I don't know, 1,000,000 miles?
72,367 million miles, something. And, well, you didn't write it right, but,
How many moons does Saturn have?
it has 62 that are confirmed.
What's Saturn's surface temperature? Anybody know?
I think it's 178 degrees Celsius.
Might be negative
Whoa.
178.
Negative 178 degrees Celsius.
Saturn has the lowest density in the entire solar system. It could float in water if it was so light. Because it's so light, duh. I'm big a derp.
Oh, it's actually 1,433 million kilometers away from the sun.
So,
See ya.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Toodles.
Uranus was discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Its name comes from the name of the Greek god of the sky, who was the husband to Gaia, the earth goddess. Its distance from the sun is 1,787,000,000 miles. It is 31,518 miles in diameter. Uranus has 27 moons. Uranus's moons are named after literary works by Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. A year on Uranus is equal to 84 Earth years. It is the seventh planet from the sun. One day on Uranus is equal to 17 hours. It was visited by the Voyager 2 in 1986, and Uranus can be seen without a telescope or binoculars.
Neptune was discovered by Urban Leverrier on the night of September 23rd through 24th, 1846.
Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the sun.
It is the fourth largest planet by diameter and the largest by mass.
Neptune has 13 known moons.
Neptune was named Neptune because that is the name of the god of the sea. He is known as Poseidon in Greek mythology.
Neptune is 2,793,100,000 miles away from the sun.
The temperature of Neptune can go down to 55 Kelvin. That's negative 218 degrees Celsius.
The diameter of Neptune is 30,599 miles.